Let's learn about vegetables. Cabbage. Cabbage is a big, round vegetable with green or purple leaves. It's crunchy and can be used in salads or cooked dishes. Artichoke. Artichoke is a green vegetable with a lot of leaves. You can eat the soft part inside the leaves and the heart in the middle. Carrot. Carrot is a long orange vegetable that grows in the ground. It's crunchy and sweet and good for your eyes. Cucumber. Cucumber is a long, green vegetable with seeds inside. It's very refreshing and often eaten in salads or as a snack. Broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable with lots of tiny green florets on top. It's very healthy and can be eaten cooked or raw. Onion. Onion is a round vegetable with layers inside. It can be white, yellow, or purple and adds flavor to many dishes. Bell pepper. Bell pepper is a colorful vegetable shaped like a bell. It can be red, green, yellow, or orange and is crunchy and sweet. Zucchini. Zucchini is a long green vegetable similar to cucumber. It's often used in cooking and can be grilled, baked, or fried. Eggplant. Eggplant is a dark purple vegetable shaped like a large egg. It can be cooked in many ways and has a rich, creamy texture. Garlic. Garlic is a small white bulb made up of many cloves. It has a strong flavor and is used to add taste to dishes. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is a large orange vegetable with a thick skin. It's often carved for Halloween and used to make pies or soups. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is a long, orange or purple vegetable that grows underground. It's sweet and can be baked, mashed, or fried. Celery. Celery is a long green vegetable with crunchy stalks and leaves on top. It's often eaten raw or used in soups and salads. Potato. Potato is a brown vegetable that grows underground. It can be boiled, mashed, fried, or baked. Chili. Chili is a small spicy vegetable that comes in different colors such as green, red, or yellow. It adds heat and flavor to dishes. Review time. What vegetable is this? 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 Thank you. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated.